Butangan.
Making conclusions of law that in fact really just advocate the position because
Good morning, love, love.
at no point during this trial
Good morning.
say, I agree with you on this point of evidence or on this point of law. I think talaga nating maintindihan yan.
How's your sleep, bebe ko?
Clearly has taken
Bebe ko, how's your sleep?
We are advocating for totally divergent views and opinions. All I'm asking, Your Honor, is that if the intent truly is to aid this court in speedy disposition of this case in a fair and balanced manner, just so also with the considering that we are being watched by the people, no? Yung ating mga mamamayan na sa tingin ko, gusto rin yung matutok nila dito sa paglilitis na ito, sapagkat sila ay nagsado rin sa kung paano ba pinapagana ang batas sa bayan ito at kung paano pinatutupad yung mga karapatan, no, ng mga tao at
Di paligay na tapos na panay. Do you like
yung
coffee?
prosecution at depensa.
Do you like?
Is if the intent is just the same, where we're going, then
Nanginginig pa si Kuya.
that's it.
Sama ka kay Mami sa Legazpi.
Without any
Yatid yun ang una.
conclusions, Your Honor, because conclusions really are just for the court to make and not for either of the parties. Thank you, Your Honor.
So noted, as the court said, Ms. Aiken to inihingi ni Atty. Sheila na magbigay sila ng rason, reasons, bakit nila ni-withdraw yung mga subina at yung witness, no? Bakit ninyo ni-withdraw? Kasi po, nakaano na yun eh. Nakalista na yun eh. Ang defense team, handa na yun i-counter. Tapos ngayon, kailangan nyo silang magpaliwanag dito. Bakit ninyo hindi tinuloy?
Exactly, they can offer, therefore, the court will now remind both parties to kindly limit any such manifestations on the withdrawal or change on the withdrawal of their witnesses to kindly limit it to the withdrawal of such witnesses, and it applies to both sides, both the prosecution and the respondent side, so that can become the part of the respondent.
No, that's bad.
Can we take it up?